Hello, little learners. Today we are going to learn about domestic animals. Do you know what domestic animals are? Domestic animal can live on a farm, in our houses, or even in our backyard. So let's meet some our domestic animals friend. So let's start. Cow. C O W. Cow. Ox. O X. Ox. Horse. 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 Buffalo. 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 Dog. 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 Cat. 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 Goat. 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 Sheep. 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 Camel. 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 Donkey. Donkey. Donkey.
Please like, share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye little learners.